not the greatest start to the week. Today I actually woke up pretty decently early, got ready for work, was feeling great, headed downstairs to the garage to get to my car to drive to work, and my car doesn't start. That's the first time I've ever encountered that. I'll put the key in and turn it. It lights up, but then as I'm turning the ignition, it just like it's dying to gasp air or something. So I think the battery died. It has been 9 years. I don't think I ever changed the battery out. So to be fair, it's been 9 years, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm just lucky the 2 days before I drove Zoe home and nothing was wrong with it. It was just, I didn't drive it all on Sunday, and then today it decided to crap out. So I had to quickly walk to work, which made me a little late, but I made it in time. So even if I don't get it fixed today, it's fine. I'll just walk to work tomorrow, and I can't be late tomorrow because then I'm getting a store visit. Pretty stressful. But basically, called my brother. My brother says I probably can get a battery and just pay for the battery cost, because the labor alone probably costs more than anything, and the battery price will probably go up. So yeah. So he bought the battery. I'm just waiting for him to come over right now, and we're gonna try installing it. Because you know me, I don't have no idea to do it. Luckily, my brother has always been pretty handy with cars. He's a car guy, so thank you. And it saves me a lot of money because I don't have to pay for labor. I just have to pay for the engine. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. If not, I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll have to see. Which one's the battery? Oh, okay. You don't... Oh, is this where... Oh, this is the windshield wiper fluid, okay. It has the sign and everything.
Yes, that's correct.
咁細嘅原來.
Teeny tiny one.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yes, you're supposed to.
Don't you need to like disarm it or something?
Yeah.
It's working. Look at that.
There you go.
Gas is expensive. I'm not gonna take this for a ride.
This car is very good on gas.
I suppose.
Huh?
I suppose you're right. I thought once a month. I'm not gonna complain. I can't find my hat. We're just gonna ignore this hot mess right now. I feel like my vlog this week has been pretty bad, but in fairness, I think I was doing pretty well for a couple weeks. So you know what? It's fine. Because this week hasn't been the best, with my car's battery being a little bitch, and then something else looming over me, that my mind has been very distracted. I was gonna go for a walk today. I was actually looking forward for my walk, but it was going to rain, and I think it is raining right now. A thunderstorm apparently, but I don't hear any thunder, but I can hear the rain a little bit. And you know, I can still do my walk in the rain, but it was just humid outside too, so it's like, you know what, maybe I will pass. But the reason why I want to go for a walk is that, you know, doing the walks have been a good way to clear my mind and, you know, think about stuff, especially this week. basically, I don't want to go into too much detail because nothing is really confirmed, but I may have to move. I've been in this apartment for about 6 years now. The rent's really good, but you know, under some certain unforeseen things, actually not really unforeseen, but due to some new developments, I might have to move. I'm not 100% sure. Right now it's like 50-50. I was trying to get more information before I made a guess, but things are not very clear. I think I have a better picture by the end of August if I have to move, but I think no matter what, I'm probably gonna have to move next year, no matter, even if I don't have to move in the next 3 months, I'm pretty sure by next year I'm gonna have to. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna find a place to rent again. Like, it's a lot of thought going into, like, I'm considered buying this time. You know, I've worked really hard, I saved some money and stuff. I'm making more money right now, right? So I can technically ask for more money when I ask for a loan to get a house. But, you know, I was weighing my options. I have plenty of time I'm weighing my options, basically. If I'm gonna have to pay so much rent, like, rent in Vancouver is ridiculous. If I have to pay over, like, $2,000 of rent, like, it just seems stupid. And, like, you know, maybe I should just think about a mortgage and buy a place. And instead of paying $2,000 of rent, I'll pay a little bit more, and $2,000 towards a mortgage, towards a house a month. So, you know, there's a lot of thoughts going in my head, and it's just been bugging me, so that's why I've been not in the best of moods. Luckily, work hasn't been giving me too much stress. Because everything's at work is, you know, being kind of still very annoying, but that isn't within my control anymore. It's up to the bloody company, and they're just... it's a downward spiral for them. And I can control it. I'm just doing what I can. I'm just there doing my best, doing what I can, doing what I can control. They're not happy, but clearly it's them. At this point, it's my company's problem. It's not working out, not me. So because of that, I haven't been stressing myself out. Because I know what I'm doing at work. I know that I'm doing my best to what I can do based on the resources that are given to me and based on what I've been handed to me. At this point, I feel like the company's sabotaging themselves. So I'm like, you know, I'm not gonna stress about it, which is kind of weird on my part because usually I stress about that stuff. But you know what? It's not my company, that's why. But yeah, so it's been that kind of week. So because there's so many thoughts in my head, I just couldn't focus. Hence, the vlog has been shite. But yeah, I realized I didn't start my vlog properly again. I keep forgetting how to do my quick little intro thing, but I keep forgetting to, and it's like Saturday night now before I go to sleep. So that's not gonna happen. Hopefully next week vlogs will be a little better. I did get a cool little new gadget. My friend sent me one of these. I don't know what to call it. It's like a gaming console. So basically this device houses video games from like the old generations, from Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Super Nintendo. Like, there's like a bajillion games in this thing. I've always been really curious about it, but I don't know where to buy one. My friend got one in Korea and sent it to me. There's about 10,000 games in this. I haven't looked through all of it. Most of the Pokemon games are on this, so I've been playing Pokemon for the last 30 minutes after my shower. It works very well. The screen's actually not bad. I wish certain games were on there, but you know, I'm not gonna be picky. There are a good variety of games. A lot of childhood games are on here, so that's pretty good. I think you can add more games, but I'm pretty content. But there's also on their device my friend was showing me, it's like the size of a Nintendo Switch screen. Like, it's like this big, and then it's like a Nintendo Switch. It has PlayStation 2, Xbox games in it, whereas this one is older generation. So that one piqued my interest, but my friend's like, oh, that one was sold out. I was originally gonna get you that one. But I'm like, you know, I'm pretty content with this. I got to play Pokemon on the go again. It's funny, because I can do that on my Switch, but it's only the new generation on the Switch, right? But yeah, that's kind of picked up my spirits. I should show you some footage of it next week probably, but yeah. So yeah, apologies for this week. I'm probably gonna end it right here because I don't know what kind of footage I have on here. My vlog's gonna be short, but I'm tired. I want this week to be over, so you know, I'm gonna end here. So I guess I'll see you next week, and hopefully it'll be a better week. So I'll see you later.